What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Now do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. And then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Well, today we got another fantastic video that we will bring into you. Meme coin seems to be the one that's popping, that is exploding right now, right in front of our face. But first, before we get into the coin of the day, let's take care of a little bit of housekeeping. Well, currently Bitcoin is up just a little bit. It is now back in the $69,000 range. Bitcoin is $69,055 at the exact time of this video. The fear and greed index is at 64. We know the fear and greed index have been ranging from 70 to 64, so we don't mind it being right here on a low level of 64. That gives us a lot more time for us to pick up steam and start to allow our altcoins to explode, especially the meme coins. Also, the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is at 53.1%. That's a great place. We're going to be looking for the Bitcoin dominance to start to decrease and start to get into the 52 percentile. So those are two of the great indicators that we like to pay attention to, the Bitcoin dominance and the fear and greed index. Now, on to the coin of the day. This is one of the new most explosive meme coins out there, and that's none other than CWIF, and that is CatWifHat. This is a coin that I brought to you guys yesterday. I've been bringing it to the folks over there in the Patreon. We've been talking about this coin for several weeks. This coin have been on our radar. We have been having a position in this play for 6 to 7 weeks, maybe even 2 months, watching this play go up, watching this play go down. And none other than that, we saw this play break resistance level just a few nights ago. We brought this play to you yesterday. The market cap was about $37 million. If you look at it today, the market cap have just about doubled. The market cap is now $63 million. This is still a small cap coin. This is the number 556 largest cryptocurrency in the world. So it's still got a lot of room to pump. It's still got a lot of space to allow, if you place it in your portfolio, to make exponential gains and take your portfolio to a nice level. Currently, the price right now is 0.000018. And if you saw yesterday, we were at 0.00010, so up today, we're up 75%. This doggone altcoin, this meme coin is exploding. This is one of the meme coins that's on the Solana ecosystem. You can find this coin on the Solflare wallet, or you can buy this coin on the Phantom wallet. We know meme coins kind of started off this cycle. The cycle started off with meme coins exploding. We seen CatWifHat. That was one of the first meme coins that we saw explode, and that coin came from the same place that CatWifHat came from. It came from the Solana meme coin ecosystem. We saw CatWifHat. We never thought that that coin would be in the top 50, but now it's in the top 50. It is one of the big dogs, one of the top meme coins in the world. CatWifHat, hey, same similarities. All it takes for a meme coin is a great and large community to get behind it. So will CatWifHat perform similar to CatWifHat? That is something that we're going to kick back and watch. But like I say, a few nights ago, we did see the resistance levels for CWIF, CatWifHat, break. And once we see those resistance levels break, that's when I notify everybody over there in the Patreon. This is something you need to be looking out for. We expecting a blow off top because the resistance levels have been broken. You can expect a huge pump. That's the importance of being over there in the Patreon. You are getting great real-time alerts over there in the Patreon. So like I say, come on over there, join us in the Patreon. We have a great community of like-minded folks like you and I who love to talk about cryptocurrency every day. And especially if you are a newbie, this is your first time in cryptocurrency, you might want to be in a community like that. If you don't join the Stock Holiday Patreon, you may want to find somebody else's Patreon to join, because you do not want to be a lone wolf navigating in this bull market. You don't want to miss this bull market and have to be waiting all the way to 2028. So you don't want to be that person. Hit that button. Come on over there. Join us in the Patreon. But this CatWifHat, this thing can really take off. The market cap for this coin is $63 million. It's still got a lot of room to go. 10x for this coin is nothing. For this coin to get to $600 million market cap, we've already doubled our money overnight. Folks who got in this coin weeks ago, we have made it 2x, 3x easy. So, you know, these meme coins, like I say, the meme coins started this cycle off, and they seem to be one of the strong points and one of the strong trigger points of this particular cycle. We've seen Bitcoin did pump up. We've seen Ethereum pump up the past few days, but the meme coins seem to be consistently pumping up. We've seen Pepe coin, even Bonk had a nice little pump. We know Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, those are some of the top two meme coins, but the market cap for those coins are already so large. In my opinion, it don't make sense for me and my team to be in plays like Dogecoin, to be in plays like Shiba Inu, because the market caps are already so high. We can make more money being in plays like Pepe, being in plays like Turbo. You know, we've been knocking it out the park with Turbo, and now we will be focusing on CatWifHat. We'll be watching the charts, watching for the next resistance level. This thing, CatWifHat, have also just broken the new all-time high. The all-time high for this coin was 0.000000193. That all-time high was broke today. And like I say, whenever a coin breaks its all-time high, you can best believe that the resistance levels will be removed, and this coin can really start to explode and go parabolic once again, because there's no longer a resistance. There's nothing to stop this coin from continuing to run. So we're in such a exciting point, exciting time in cryptocurrency. We're about 5 weeks deep into the Bitcoin halving. We know altcoin season is months away, but like I say, this is a super cycle. Things are happening a lot faster than they have happened in the previous cycles. There are a lot of more stronger narratives in this particular cycle. A lot more money have now came into play and came into the cryptocurrency space with the Bitcoin ETF, with the Ethereum ETF, the large institutions, the SEC filings. I mean, there's a lot of moving parts in cryptocurrency right now. So there's a lot of great positive catalysts that are happening also. Tell you guys, lock in, put your helmet on, put your seatbelt on, dollar cost average in. Do not get scared out of your play. If you do see a dip, buy in a dip, because we understand there will be dips and corrections along the way in this bull cycle. Do not get scared of a 20% dip. Do not get scared of a 30% dip. You may open up your account and you may be like, what? I had $20,000 in my account. Now my account, I got $12,000 in my account. Do not get scared out of your play. Those are some of the things that you will experience. You have to have a strong stomach to be in this cryptocurrency space. But if you understand where the top is, where to take profits, you will be thanking yourself. You will be successful. That's why I say it's real important for you to find a great Patreon to join with a nice community to where you can bounce the various ideas off of each other. So hit that button down below. Join us over there in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. But like I say, I just come to y'all every evening just to continue to give y'all that good motivation. Coming to y'all every evening to give y'all that good encouragement. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.